Hello students, welcome to my GK class. This is Sanchita ma'am here back to take your GK class. Class 2 students, you open your book, GK book, Think and Grow, part 2. Please open page number 14, our neighboring countries. Today we will do this page, our neighboring countries. The countries close to the border of our country are our neighbors. You know who are called our neighbors? The people who live beside your house, your flat, or your complex. They are called our neighbors. Like that, the countries close to the border of our country are called our neighboring countries. Now I want to show you one map of India to show the neighboring countries of our country. Look at the map. Students, please look at the map. Here, India is our country and these green portions are shown neighboring countries of India. India shares its borders with 9 neighboring countries. They are Pakistan, Afghanistan, China, Nepal, Bhutan, Bangladesh, Myanmar and Sri Lanka and Maldives. So how many neighboring countries we have? We have Pakistan 1, number 2 Afghanistan, Nepal, China, Bhutan, Bangladesh, Myanmar, Sri Lanka and Maldives. These 9 countries share their parts with our country India. So these countries are called the neighboring countries of India. Is it clear to you? India is our country and these countries are called our neighboring countries. Now you go again to page number 14. Number 1, you have to fill in the missing letters to get the correct name. Number 1, the Mount Everest is located in, it will be Nepal. Nepal is one of our neighboring countries. You have to write in the box NEPAL. N and P are already given. You have to write here E, A and L, Nepal. Mount Everest is the highest mountain peak in the world. So, Mount Everest, which is located in Nepal. Number 2, the capital of Bhutan. Bhutan is also one of the neighboring countries. The capital of Bhutan is Thimphu. The name of the city is Thimphu. THIMPHU, Thimphu. Number 2 will be the capital of Bhutan is Thimphu. THIMPHU, Thimphu. Number 3, Dash is the capital of Pakistan. Which is the capital of Pakistan? The name of the city is Islamabad. ISLAMABAD, Islamabad. Islamabad is the capital of Pakistan. Number 4, Kabul is the capital of Afghanistan. Kabul is the capital of Afghanistan. AFGHANISTAN. Look at the blanks. Look at the sentence. Kabul is the capital of Afghanistan. Number 5. Dhaka is the capital of Bangladesh. Which is the capital of Bangladesh? The name of the capital of Bangladesh is Dhaka. DHAKA. Dhaka is the capital of Bangladesh. Number 6. The currency of Sri Lanka is rupee. 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 The currency of India is rupee also. Taka or rupee. We called it like that. The currency of Sri Lanka is rupee. 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 Number 7. Yangon is the capital of Myanmar. 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 Yangon is the capital of Myanmar. Myanmar is a neighboring country of India. Its capital is Yangon. The name of the capital city is Yangon. Next, number 8 is The capital of Nepal is Kathmandu. 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 The capital of Nepal is Kathmandu. Next, Taka is the currency of Bangladesh. Number 9, Taka is the currency of Bangladesh. In Bengali, we also called our currency rupee also Taka in India. Like that, the currency of Bangladesh is Taka. So, Taka is the currency of Bangladesh. You have to write here Bangladesh. Last one is number 10. The capital of China is Beijing. 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 The capital of China, which is one of the neighboring country of our country. The capital of China is Beijing. In your book, you can see one picture is here. It is the currency of Bangladesh. 500 rupees note, 500 taka, it is written here. It is the currency of Bangladesh. And here the Great Wall of China is the largest structure ever built by human hands. It is 6,350 kilometers. The length of the Great Wall is 6,350 kilometers. So this much is today's task today. Our neighboring countries. You learn about the neighboring countries. These facts are given. These things you read and try to learn all that things. Thank you. Have a nice day.